Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we will discuss the projection of point. Like maximum time the students are getting confused in VP, HP, how to rotate HP, which one is front, which one is top, right? Majority of the time the students are getting confused. So here we'll discuss this in very simple way. See, in projection of point, two things are there only. The first one is the concept and second one is the drawing, right? So first let's see the concept and then we'll discuss the drawing. Both the parts are very important. First one is concept and second one is the drawing. So let's see the concept part. See, to draw the projection of the point we have three requirements. First one is observer, right? Here also I have marked observer. The question is, where should be the observer? This side or this side? Very first thing and very important thing, observer is not on this side. आपने ये assume करना है, you have to assume you are not here, you are here. So sometimes the students are asking कि why the observer is not here. See, from here you will see only x-axis and y-axis, right? And to prepare the drawing you need the plane, so you have to see it from this direction. You have to assume you are always on this side. Let's suppose you are standing on this side now. You are on this side at the distance infinity. So this is not observer. Observer will be here, right? So this is the observer. Second requirement is the object. So now object is the point. Object is point. Third requirement is plane. So this one is plane. We have two plane. One is VP and second is HP. This green one is the vertical plane and this is horizontal plane. We can write here VP. This is VP. VP means vertical plane. This is HP. HP means horizontal plane. We have two planes, right? Next, which plane contains the front view? For example, you are here, observer is here and object is here above HP and in front of VP. So on which plane you can see front view? Obviously on this green color. On this plane, vertical plane, you can see front view. If you want one more example, let's suppose I'm writing anything on this plane. Let's suppose I'm writing here F. From which direction you can see this F? Obviously from front. So VP means front view always. Just remember VP contains front view. If I'll write anything on this HP, so that will be visible from top. Right? This plane will be visible from top. So HP contains the top view and VP contains the front view always. And observer is always here. So by these planes, VP and HP, we have four quadrants above HP and in front of VP. This is the first quadrant. Above HP and in front of VP, this is first quadrant, right? Similarly, observer is here. So behind VP and above HP, this one is second quadrant. Third one is below HP and behind VP. Below HP and behind VP is third quadrant. This is third quadrant. And fourth quadrant is below HP and in front of VP. So here is the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. Below HP and in front of VP. So these are the four quadrants. Above HP, in front of VP first. Above HP, behind VP. This one is second. Below HP and behind VP. Behind VP is third quadrant. Below HP के नीचे and in front of VP. In front of VP के सामने. So this is fourth quadrant. Right? These are the four quadrants. So now, what is the labeling of the front view and top view? That we'll see. I hope the quadrants are clear. VP is always front view because it is in front of you. Whatever you will drawing here, whatever you are drawing here, that will be visible from front. So VP contains front view and HP is always top view, right? So now what is the notation of VP? Sorry, what is VP contains front view and its label is lowercase letter. Remember, lowercase letter with dash, like A dash, B dash, C dash, and so on. HP contains the top view and its labeling is lowercase letter without dash, A, B, C, and so on, right? Front view is lowercase letter with dash and top is lowercase letter without dash. So last part of the concept, sir, how to draw this, right? Let's write one formula. This is a reference line. It is denoted by XY. This one is the reference line, right? Why it is denoted by XY line? Because one more plane is there, that is profile plane. So when we are opening this is X-axis and this Y-axis goes on this side. So that's why this is XY line, right? Last part, this part is very, very important. Very important. See, if something is above the reference line or below the reference line, that will be always visible from front. A particle, right, or anything is moving above the reference, above the HP, above HP or below HP can be seen from front. अगर कोई चीज़ ऊपर जा रही है या HP से नीचे जा रही है तो that will be visible from front. तो above means above HP means above the reference line. Above HP means we have to draw above the reference line. वो reference line के ऊपर नजर आएगा and will be always front view. वो हमेशा front होगा. Below HP कहाँ पे visible होगा? Below HP will be visible below the reference line. Below HP and is always front view. Above HP, below HP. Simple सी बात है. Above HP will be visible above the reference line. Below HP will be visible below the reference line. और वो हमेशा front view होगा. That will be always front view. Second, behind and in front. This one, behind and in front. See, this is the 3D model basically. I will show you now. Let's say this wall, this red color is VP and this one is HP. So you are the observer, right? So VP is visible to you. So VP will be always fixed. Like you are getting confused, sir, why we are rotating the HP always? So why we are rotating the HP? Because VP is clearly visible to you here. There is no need to move the VP. VP हमने क्यों घुमाना है वहाँ पे? Right? VP is clearly visible to you. That this is front view, right? VP. This is HP. So now rotate the HP 90 degree clockwise. So VP in front of you. This is VP. Sorry, HP. In front of this VP, this part is HP. So it will go down. And behind the VP, the HP comes up. Like this is the rotation. Right? So behind, whatever is behind this VP, that comes up. The behind VP will come up the reference line, above the reference line. So here we have to draw behind. Whatever the data is there behind VP, we have to draw above the reference line. Now whatever the data is there, whatever the drawing or whatever the projection is there in front of VP on this plane, it will go down after the rotation. This part is important. Behind will go up and in front will go down. And HP always contains the top view. Obviously, if this one is front, this one is front, this one will be top view. This one will be top view. So first draw the reference line. Above means above the reference, below means below the reference. Simple सी बात है कि if something is moving above or below will be visible from front. Above means above the reference line, below means below the reference line. Now what about behind and in front? The distance which is behind, that will come up, and the distance which is in front will go down. The distance which is behind will go up above the reference, and the data which is in front of VP, that will go down. ऐसे घुमाने के बाद तो behind will come up, in front will go down, right? तो front view, behind and in front is top view. बस just remember this part. This one. Let's draw the projection of few points without wasting the time. आप बस ये स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो, इसे फॉलो करो, आपका गलत नहीं होगा कभी भी. That will be always correct. So let's see few points now. You can take a screenshot now. Okay. So let's draw the projection of following points. Point A is 30 above HP and 20 in front of EP. In which quadrant it is? Above HP and in front of EP. So this is above HP and in front of VP. This is first quadrant. Sometimes it is asked in which quadrant it is. Let's prepare its drawing. For the drawing, 3 steps are there. The very first step is to draw the reference line. I will draw one common reference line here. Reference line should be always thin, continuous thin line you have to use. So it is given that a point A is 30 above HP and 20 in front of EP. So means to say, above means above the reference line, that we have seen now. Above means above the reference line and is always front view. In front, 20 in front, so in front will go down. So above means above the reference line, that is always front view. 20 in front of VP, so in front is down to the reference line. This is top view. Check this. Above means above the reference line, right, and is front view. In front is below the reference line after the rotation. So how to prepare the drawing, that is very important. In Gothic style, you have to write here XY. "30 above HP" means this is above the reference line. You have to measure this with scale. These are 3 centimeters, 30 mm. This is front view of the point. This is projection line, and 20 in front of EP. This one is the top view. तो above means above the reference line, it is front view. तो notation क्या होती है front view की? Lower case letter with dash, and top view is lower case letter without dash. Third step, first step is reference line, second step is the projection with label, and third step is the dimensioning. Dimensioning हमेशा लास्ट में करनी है. ठीक है, extension line. Take the extension line. Arrowheads. And here you can write the dimension. This is 20 and this is 30. If you are writing the A dash on this arrowhead, that is incorrect. If you are not making this projection line and point, it means you are not drawing the projection of point. Simply you are drawing the dimension line. That is will be incorrect. To follow 3 steps only: reference line, then draw projection A dash A, and then third step is the dimensioning. Right? Let's discuss the second problem. Point B is 30 above HP and 20 behind VP. So 50% of the problem is same. Above HP means above the reference line. This is the front view. And behind, 20 behind. Behind means it will come upside. So on the same projection line, after the rotation of HP, the top view will come upside. So above means above the reference line. This will be the front view. Name of the point is B. So this will be B dash. And this is B. Right? So one more thing you can do. On the reference line, you can write the original name of the point, A naught. Here B naught. Now with the parallel method of dimensioning, you can write the dimension here. In further problems, I will not discuss the dimensioning because dimensioning I have already discussed in the one of the lecture. So I will discuss the drawings only here. Right, so here you can write the arrowheads and you can write 20 and 30 by a line style. Let's see the third problem. Third problem, point C is 30 below HP and 20 in front of VP. So let's see here. 30 below. Below means below HP means below the reference line. Above means above the reference line and below means below the reference line. Thin projection line. This line should be thin. The point, name of the point is C, 30 below HP. So below means below the reference line and is also front view. Lowercase letter with dash. And 20 in front of VP. So where we are drawing in front? Let's see this. In front means below the reference line and is top view. 30 below HP. Below HP means below the reference line and is front view. In front is also down to the reference line. This one is top view of the point. Here you can write the dimensions by taking extension line. Here take the extension line. This is dimension line. This one is dimension line. Right? Don't write this C dash and C on this arrowhead because you are not making the projection of arrowhead. You are making the projection of point. Right? To follow 3 steps. Reference line, projection line, label it. And then third step, dimensioning. Fourth problem is point D is 30 below HP. Okay. Below HP means below the reference line. Above and below is always front view. So this is D dash. Further it is given that point D is 30 below HP and 20 behind VP. So behind will come up. As we have seen here. Behind is above the reference line and is always top view. This is front view and this is top view of the point. 30 below and 20 behind. And then you can write the dimension. Here you can take the extension line and dimension line. Extension line should not touch the object and dimension line should be at the gap of 8 to 10 mm. This space should be there. Okay, let's go for the next problem. Point P is 30 above HP and on VP. For example, the webcam of your laptop, it is above HP and on VP always. Whenever you are opening your laptop, so let's suppose this is the screen of your laptop and this is keypad. So here is the webcam, so above HP and on VP. So front view will be above the reference line. Point P is 30 above HP. Here one distance is 0. So no problem. P is 30 above HP. तो above means above the reference line. So this is P dash. Above and below is always front view. Something is moving above or below, that will be visible from front. Further it is given that on VP, above HP and on VP means it is neither behind nor in front. So top view will be on reference line. Bus. It is neither behind. It is neither, the point is neither behind nor in front. So this will be on reference line. Just like this problem. In this problem it was 20 in front. Right? So if it is neither in front nor behind, the top view will be on reference line. See the next one. Point Q is 30 below HP and on VP. Okay, so below means, below HP means below the reference line. So as we have seen, above and below is always front view. So label of the front view is Q dash. Second, Q is 30 below HP and on VP. 30 below HP, for example here. This is first quadrant. This is second, third and fourth. The point is Q is 30 below HP and on VP. Point is here now. Below HP and on VP. So this is the front view. Front view. 30 below HP and on VP. Means it is neither behind nor in front. So its top view will be visible neither in front nor behind. The top view will be on reference line. You can simply just remember this thing. 30 below HP and on VP means it is neither behind nor in front. This is 0. The top view will be on reference line. Neither behind nor in front. Top view will be on reference line. You can write the dimensions also. Not you can, you have to write the dimension. Take the extension line here and dimension line. Also write the original name of the point, that is A naught, B naught, C naught, etc. Now next is point R is 30 in front of VP and on HP. The name of the point is R is 30 in front. In front we are drawing down to the reference line and is always top view. In front कहाँ पे हम draw कर रहे हैं? In front we are drawing below the reference line and is always top view. So point R is 30 in front of VP. in front of VP and on HP. तो in front क्या होता है? Right? Above and below is front view. In front and behind is always top view. In front and behind is always top view. In front and behind is always top view. Right? So this is R. If this is R, so this will be R dash. You can see point R is 30 in front of VP and on HP. Means it is neither above HP nor below HP. ना ही HP के ऊपर है और ना ही HP के नीचे है. तो फ्रंट व्यू आपको कहाँ नजर आएगा? रेफरेंस लाइन पे. ये रेफरेंस लाइन है. पॉइंट ना ही HP के ऊपर है. इट इज़ नीदर अबव HP नॉर बिलो HP. तो फ्रंट व्यू विल बी ऑन reference line. Above and below is always front view. Just remember. Last one is point S is 30 behind VP. Point S is 30 behind VP and on HP. तो behind वाला हम कहाँ draw करते हैं? Where we are drawing the behind? After the rotation of the plane. the behind will come upside. 30 behind VP and on HP. Here is the point. Behind is always top view. This is S, lowercase letter without dash. 30 behind, point S is 30 behind VP and on HP. So it is neither above HP nor below HP. तो फ्रंट व्यू विल बी ऑन रेफरेंस लाइन एस डैश. एक बड़ी सिंपल सी चीज़ है कि अगर ये टॉप है तो ऑब्वियसली ये फ्रंट होगा, राइट. इफ दिस इज फ्रंट, ऑब्वियसली सेकंड वन विल बी टॉप व्यू. You can write down its dimensioning also. Last one is point E is situated in both the planes. For example, hinge of your laptop. Point E is situated in both the planes, means it is situated at origin. You can see this one. Point E is situated in both the planes. It is in VP as well as in HP. So it is situated in origin. Here also you can see कि above means above the reference line, below means below the reference line, and is always front view. This scale is readable from front. Behind and in front is top view. तो ये आपको visible होगा top से. तो behind will come up and in front will go down to the reference line. So in last problem, you can draw point E on the reference line, E dash and E. Front and top both are on reference line. So just remember this part only. मैं repeat कर रहा हूँ. Above means above the reference line. Above means above HP means above the reference line. Below HP means below the reference line. ठीक है. और वो हमेशा क्या होगा? फ्रंट व्यू. वो आपको फ्रंट से नजर आएगा. इन फ्रंट एंड बिहाइंड वो आपको कहाँ से नजर आएगा? टॉप व्यू से. तो आफ्टर द रोटेशन ऑफ प्लेन, बिहाइंड वाला कहाँ चला गया? बिहाइंड विल बी अबव द रेफरेंस लाइन and in front is below the reference line and is always top view. By using this we have prepared this. You can check this. Still, if you have any doubt, you can post your comments and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.